What if I told you that the problem isn't that you don't have enough clothes? The big problem here is that you have a lot of clothes, but the wrong ones. Today, I'm going to show you one big closet mistake I see every single woman make and how fixing it can instantly make getting dressed here in the morning way easier. Because if in your closet there is only clothes that you wear once, no wonder why getting dressed in the morning is so difficult. Hola, hola, I am Ana True. I'm a custom designer and image consultant, and I love helping women being more intentional with their wardrobe and their lifestyle. And I think one of the biggest lies that we're being sold is that we need more clothes. A new season, go shopping. Vacations, go shopping. A wedding, go shopping. New job, go shopping. And the list goes on, and we keep adding and adding clothes to our closet until one day our closet is full, and somehow we still have nothing to wear. I used to think that the solution was adding a new blazer, a better blazer, the latest blazer, the perfect jean, the perfect dress. But eventually, I realized that the problem was not the clothes. The closet wasn't designed for my lifestyle. It was designed for my fantasy life, the dinners that I rarely attend, the vacations I took once a year. Meanwhile, the clothes that I really needed were missing. And that is when I came with the 70% rule. And here's a question that I want you to ask yourself. Go into your closet and ask yourself, how often does this piece actually earns a place in the wardrobe? Know how much it costs? No, does it still have some tags? The real question here is how often this piece of clothes serve me in my life, because your wardrobe should reflect your life, not your Pinterest board, not your Instagram or your TikTok, your real life. So what are the 70% pieces? And this question was asked by someone that watched my channel. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna resolve it right now. Your 70% pieces are your high frequency pieces. There are the clothes that you reach automatically every single morning or most of your mornings. They're easy, versatile, and you can mix it with everything. They make getting dressed way easier. Think about your favorite button down, your favorite jeans, your favorite pants, a neutral knit, your simple gold jewelry or your simple silver jewelry, your crossbody bag. And let me tell you, these are not the most exciting pieces, but these pieces are the most hardworking pieces in your wardrobe. And the big mistakes that I see is that most women or most people build their closet backwards. They own 8 party dresses, 7 statement tops, 5 colorful jackets, 3 pairs of sequins heels, but only a few pieces of jeans that they really like, and no wonder why getting dressed in the morning again is so hard. Just imagine trying to cook dinner, but the only thing that you own it's fancy server plates. No pots, no knives, no frying pan. And that is exactly how many of the closets are right now. They are full of very colorful and trendy pieces, but not essential. So here's the big question is how to identify those 70 pieces. And there is a very easy exercise that you can do right now. Open your laundry basket, not your closet, your laundry basket, and see which items, which pieces are coming back to that laundry basket. The jeans, the t-shirts, the cardigans, your sneakers, those are your harder workers, the pieces that you want to repeat over and over the time. And now you're gonna ask yourself, why don't I own more version of this? So instead of buying another statement blouse, for example, maybe what you actually need is another perfect white t-shirt. And here you can be playful. You can play with the textures, the necks, the sleeves. Try to elevate that basic piece in another basic piece, but with a little tweak. And here I'm going to show you the 70-20-10 method. So 70% will be the high frequency pieces, your everyday life. And these are the foundation. So think about your lifestyle. What do you do every single day, Monday to through Friday? Then you're gonna add your 20%. And those are your personality pieces. Interesting colors, textures, prints, things that make you feel like you. And 10% is gonna be for occasions, occasional pieces. Cocktail dresses, holiday outfits, formal wear, vacation outfits. Because what I have seen is that most of the closets have these percentages but backwards. So the next time that you go shopping, you're not gonna ask, do I like it? You are gonna ask, will I wear this once or twice per week? If the answer is yes, that probably means that that piece belongs to the 70% of your wardrobe. And that is a yes. If no, maybe belongs to the 20%. We don't know, but you have to do the filter. Or maybe it doesn't belong to your closet at all. Just leave it. Bye bye. And here I want to give you some examples. Let's say a woman called Lola. She has 3 blazers, 5 statement dresses, bright pink heels, leopard pants. And another woman called Karen. Karen has the perfect jeans, 2 amazing white t-shirts, a very gray navy sweater, comfortable loafers, and a trench coat. Guess which woman say, I have nothing to wear? I'm gonna give you a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. So usually woman Lola doesn't have anything to wear every morning. And this is why I bring this exercise to do a mind shift. Your wardrobe should reduce your decision fatigue, not create decision fatigue. Your closet should always support your life, not compete for attention. And the funny thing is when your 70% of your pieces are amazing, your 20% of your pieces suddenly look amazing too because they finally have something to work with. So my invitation this week or this month is buy nothing. Don't buy anything. Instead, I invite you to count how many of your pieces right now are actually high frequency pieces? How many are fantasy pieces? And I think you will be surprised. And once you know your number, you will finally know why your closet isn't working or maybe it's working. And if this video helped you somehow, I would love for you to subscribe, hit the bell button, and share with someone that might find it helpful. And I also think the video on uniforms will be very helpful. I'm gonna link it down below. For now, remember to be kind to yourself, love yourself, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.